Hello, Will. I wanted to show you your NeXT laser printer. Now, this is with the new cartridge. I think this is about as good as we're going to get. And let me run a couple more prints through just to be sure. So I'm running it on the printer manager and I click test. Then it loads it in the queue. You'll see them come up in the queue. And then it's got the top secret stickers on it. And it looks like it's pulling them through pretty good. You're going to get an occasional jam, but you just have to pull the page through. But for a 30-year-old printer, I think it's functioning great. So I think that new printer cartridge made all the difference. So I'm going to go ahead and box this up and ship it today. Or probably tomorrow because it's kind of late in the day. Appreciate your business and patience and have a good day.